sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find
So
approximate
30% of total is syrup. Okay, syrup.
yes, ma'am. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 centimeter and diameter 2.8 centimeter.
Diameter is 2.8 means radius will be 1.4. Okay,
1.4.
I'll write 14 by 10 children. Easy calculation. Okay, 14 by 10 centimeter. No,
Yes,
centimeter.
yes,
Then the whole length is 5 children.
5.
So we need to first calculate what is cylinder, what is sphere. Separate you write. Okay. For cylinder height, 5 must be subtracted from 2.8. So 5 must be subtracted from 2.8. What you will get? 4.2. So diameter is 4, height of the jamun is 4.2. This calculation and all should be done in the rough column. Okay. So height of this will be how much? How much I said just now? 4.2.2.
4.2,
4.2,
ma'am.
ma'am.
2.2 because you subtract
4,
5
ma'am.
minus 2.8 because this side one hemisphere, this side one hemisphere ma radius, two radius is diameter. So only I'm subtracting diameter. Okay. So I get 2.2. Mute yourself. Somebody's house noise is coming. Correct. Good. So height is 22 by 10 centimeter and radius is same. Radius is 14 by 10 centimeter. And sphere, only radius is enough. That is 14 by 10. Okay. Now come to the question. Volume of syrup. They are asking what? Volume of? Volume of
Syrup.
syrup. So volume of syrup is 30% of total. Volume of syrup is what? 30% of total volume. Volume of syrup is volume of
Ma'am, your
wait.
voice is breaking, ma'am.
Hello. Wait. Now
Yes, ma'am, we
somebody
can hear
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
volume of syrup is 30% of total volume. Volume of syrup is 30% of total volume. Now, volume of syrup is 30% of total volume. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. So 30 by 100 into 100 into volume of one jamun. Okay. Into 45. So we wanted to eat jamun. Anybody's birthday today, we can celebrate. So 30 by 100 into volume of one jamun consists of volume of cylinder plus volume of sphere. Instead of two hemisphere, I write one sphere, children. Instead of two hemisphere, what I'm doing? One sphere I'm writing. Okay, 30 by 100. Volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h plus 4 by 3 pi r cube. You know the formula, you can easily do all the sums. So only some are teaching only formula and they leave them to study on their own. Okay, h plus 4 by 3 r. Okay, into 45. After writing this, you substitute. End you substitute, you will not go wrong. Okay, this 45 is here. Okay, I'll put 45 here and start. So 22 by 7 into 14 by 10 I will use because for me, instead of decimal, fraction is simple for me. So only. Okay, for me, fraction is simple. So I am using fractional values. 22 by 10 plus 4 by 3 into 14 by 10 I will use. Like this I will use. Okay, so what will happen? This 3 into 45, let it be down. Then I write 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. Don't multiply and waste time. At the end, you can multiply. Now we'll do this part, children. This part you do in the rough column. Okay. What is the part? 22 by 10 plus 4 into 14 is 56. 56 by 30. Now take LCM of 30. If you take LCM 33 should be multiplied here. 66 plus 56. So what is the answer? 122 by 30 will come. So straight away I write here 122 by 30. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
You cancel. 7 2s are 14. End you cancel. Okay, 3 will go in 3 table 10 times and this will be 15 times in table. Now down only 10 are there. Don't divide, multiply and all. Keep that all the 10s together. 4 zeros. Okay. Keep all the 10s together and then multiply. 3 into 15 into 22 into 2 into 14 into 122. This has to be multiplied. Okay. Now you don't do everything here in calculator just because you are at home. Okay. But you multiply on your own and check. Go to the rough column, multiply each and everything and then get the answer. Okay. So you get 3381840 and divided by 4 zeros you will get. So if you do correctly 4 decimals it will come. 338.1840 centimeter cube will come. So totally you can just write textbook answer 338 approximately. That's all. So only the last multiplication you should be careful. Other things are easy. Okay. So you want me to repeat or we are recording so that you can repeat and you can see anywhere you didn't understand. Okay. Easiest method I'm doing, children. Calculation also should be fast and easy for us. So the end statement. What should be my end statement, Tarun? What should be my end statement?
Ma'am,
What should be my end statement?
the syrup 3.38 approx centimeter cube, ma'am.
Volume of the syrup.
Volume of the syrup, ma'am.
Syrup. Volume of the syrup, which consists of jamuns. You can write
Jamun.
that. Which
45 jamun.
It's very easy, ma. Only that last multiplication you should be careful. Otherwise, the sum is very easy. Okay, sweet sum only. So you instead of somebody's birthday is today. Is anybody's birthday today?
No, ma'am.
Nobody's birthday.
No,
But
ma'am.
somebody's birthday treat, they told they'll bring jamun in the reopening day. Who's that? Somebody's birthday we celebrated no that day online.
Kartika, ma'am.
Karthika.
Kartika. So jamun should be this volume you try. So that day we will do again this sum and we will remember your birthday. Okay, next sum. Sixth sum you
Ma'am.
read, ma.
Ma'am, I'll
Sixth sum.
Fifth.
Sixth. Fifth is easy. You can do it at home.
Everyone will read, ma'am.
A solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 centimeter and base diameter 24 centimeter, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter and radius 8 centimeter. Find the mass of the pole given that
Wait, 1 minute. Wait. Diameter of the bigger diameter is 24. So radius is 12. Okay, the bigger height is
12.
the bigger cylinder height is 220. I'll put all capital letter ma so that we will not confused. And this is small. Small d is 8 centimeters. So radius is 4. So this is small h. Okay, so big cylinder here instead of using two different here we are using same only. We are using same but different size. So one is big cylinder, another one is small cylinder. For big cylinder, the height will be 220 centimeter and radius will be 12 centimeter. For small cylinder, height is 60 centimeter and radius is 4 centimeter. Like this you write and then start it. You will not go wrong. Okay? What is given you write neatly. And then you write to find the volume of what you should find. You should write to find the volume of
find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 grams mass.
Okay, this will keep it in the rough column. Mass. This is mass. So mass is nothing but here in mathematics we take volume only. Okay, physics it is different. Density, mass. So here volume you calculate and then you convert it into mass. Okay, to find the volume of resultant solid. To find the volume of resultant solid. So what is the volume of the solid? The total solid. Volume of big cylinder. Volume I told you very simple. You can just add all the volume. Then you get the volume of big cylinder plus volume of small cylinder. Okay. So formula is same, but only you put in. Rubber only is coming.
Ma'am, in small cylinder, the radius should be 8, no, ma'am? Because it is given it as radius 8 centimeter.
Radius is 8 or okay, correct. Yeah, not diameter. I thought diameter. So